Hello, and this is actually my first trading method you can do. So it's 1 to 5k, and if you like this video, I will appreciate a thumbs up and a comment for 5 to 10k. If you want a 5 to 10k, just leave a comment in the comment box below. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, this is actually Futhead. I will leave a link in the description below. But it is the FIFA 15 top players, fastest silver players. You can search for everyone and informs. But in this case, I will choose Carlos Paredes, so I will do that. Alright, here we have Carlos Paredes. He has 93 pace, and he is actually very cheap, so I will buy him. And you can do it, and it actually do sell for 1.2k, so it's actually very good. Okay guys, this is the end of the video, and I will appreciate a thumbs up and a subscribe. And if you want me to do a 5 to 10k next time, then just like, and when this video comes up to 20 likes, I will do 5 to 10k. So just keep liking, and I will see you next